Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to add the Ask Gemini button directly to your Google Chrome browser. Having the Gemini shortcut at the top of your browser makes accessing Google's AI incredibly fast and efficient. But if you do not see it, or if you accidentally removed it, getting it back takes just a few seconds. There are two simple methods to do this. Method number one is through the Chrome settings. This is the most reliable way to enable the feature. Start by opening Google Chrome. Then navigate to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, look at the sidebar on the left and click on AI Innovations. Here you will see a section dedicated to Gemini. Simply toggle the switch that says Show Gemini at the top of the browser. As soon as you turn this on, the Ask Gemini icon will immediately appear right next to your address bar. Now let's look at method number two. This is a quick fix if you previously had the button but accidentally unpinned it. All you need to do is right-click on any empty space in your tab bar at the very top of the window. A small menu will pop up, just click on Pin Gemini and the button will be restored instantly. It is that simple. You now have immediate access to Gemini whenever you need it for your daily workflows. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.